guys, I am Sniffles, and today I'm going to be playing Agario. And I just want to play this because Cuddles played Slither.io, and I want to play Agario now. Okay, let's do it. I have no idea how to play this game too. Okay, connecting. You have to wait for a long time. I'm just wondering. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for it to actually connect. Alright, there we go. Nickname. Right. I don't know how we're supposed to do this. What are we supposed to do, Agario? I don't even know what just happened. What just happened? Okay. Over here. Oh! That's what you're supposed to do. Alright. Okay. Come on. I can't get... Okay. So now, it's... Oh my god! Did you see that, dude? Oh, someone's chasing me. Ah! Oh! I died. Come on. Alright, where am I now? Did I already get eaten? Are you freaking serious? Alright, let's just move around. Put a ball. Okay, good. Get him. Come on. Ah! Ah! Oh, God. Go this way. This way. I can't even move now. Oh, God. Oh. Oh. Ah. There I am. Okay, there's so much chaos. Holy crap. Alright, come on. So, what are we? I don't know what we are. I think that we might be something very... Are you sure you want to leave? No, I don't want to leave. Not right now. It might be something... Possibly, I don't know, scientist. Alright. Oh, no! Oh, God. How big am I? Okay, 27, 28, 29. Oh, crap. Oh, my God! Those guys that you've reached level. Rewarding. Okay. Thank you. Nasty infantry. Surviving time 1 minute and 1 second. Come on. That'll survive for even longer than that. Oh, did I already get eaten? Yes, I already got eaten. Are you serious right now? It's me. Ah! Fly ate me. Come on. That sucks. I am not liking this game. Well, I'm not going to play any more of this because it's just too confusing for me to even understand what I'm doing. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.